Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Virgin Media router is flashing the red light and what you can do in order to fix it. So first of all, most of the Virgin Media hubs, a flashing red or solid red light usually points to an issue with the router's connection. Sometimes it is due to overheating and hardware status. So the very first thing that you need to do in order to fix it is you need to simply restart the router completely. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to unplug the router and then simply wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Then give the hub several minutes to fully reboot and connect to the network. Now, in many cases, the red light disappears after the proper restart. So make sure that you do it first and see if it is working properly. But if in your case the issue still persists, you can just simply check for overheating as well. So a red light also means that the router is getting really hot. So make sure that the hub is placed in the open or ventilated area. Afterwards, you need to check whether all the cables are connected securely, especially the coax cable and the power cable. If the problem continues, you can also press this particular reset button over here, and then you just have to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is also going to restore the router to the factory reset, and it can also fix the deeper software or the connection problems. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.